Nabalike Samalola ya some details legend Shuayin, that in Yadon is subshi double to be say do resapasan king the red. Tarinke lenges and on a leze din. Pumi dikzuki, Sikyong Penpa Tsering chotan, Pedun legu dene kang sola, the lu mangzu sing dati, Bude ke yubi, Puki tubum nan, Nezu be yubashik, Kube, Nyundun Shugayin. Sikyong Penpa Tsering cho sola, the lu mangzu sing dati, Bude ke do. Pumi dikzuki, Sikyong Penpa Tsering chotan, Pedun legu dene kang sola. The lu mangzu sing dati, Bude kedu. Lodar arir, Denshi chebi, Gyayong mangzu kongbe denekang, National Endowment for Democracy ki, mangzu tang rawang kongbel to, Lapjin ki ledu nyingen ki choker namla, Chedu ki sing da busu yobatar, Dadi ce joksum nin, The lu mangzu sing dati, Sikyong Penpa Tsering chotang, Ari tuzo ume, 소주수바 점구 낸시 펠로시 초 아리 최저 국내 소미 구십 미치 맥코넬 정강도 예비 우르스 초겐 속배 구티 카라 벨라루스키 구티 시딜라나 시카노스 카야 대신 갸나 슝기 페낭 짜데 롭테 시주 락더키 비루 남라 게구르 롭소트 신비 내주 쿠둠 난키 Pede legu dene kang Tibet Action Institute tang Ukraine ki dawami top tang dene kang Regional Center for Human Rights Sweden shungi gudi namla mangzo tang Shete kongdur tonggen ki Y Tsokpa Y Organization Je Tsokpa sumla bigu yindu Tiite gyayong mangzo kongbe dene Kanki Ginzi Gushep Canon Talaki Cholo Nyedong Yushu Lu Mangzu Singda Te Zemling Kyo Yongso Mangzo Kongbe Dongkyu Tokla Rangi Mezashibu Shamde Dumki Ki Sing Sutembe Dumdela Chedo Ki Bugu Yimba Tang Dene Kangi Mangzu Tapzoba Tetaki Chalela Ngunzi Tuber Boba Yoba Mase Kongnambe Legu Be Shimba Tetala Yang Gyabgyur Yeje Sumdu. Gyayung Mangzo Kongbe Dene Kangi Sozokushep Diamond Wilson Laki Nyandang Jigyu Tugopsu Singda Buse Minatang Gudi Tedaki Rawang Kongber Tongber Shumba Mebe Chale Nangi Shik Yimba Chuntubi Yobatang Ari Tuzo Tuminamgi Chapsi Tsokwa Rimi To Mangzi Sade Chetu Tsedu Gyabgur Yoba, Chuntugi Yogorso, Jojo Nangdu. Gyayung Mangzo Kongbe Dene Kanki, Dilu Mangzu Singda, Pibagu, Petang, Ukraine, Sweden Jet Nang Shunye Tang, Pudu Namdi, Rawang Toptang Songyup Le, Jeyu Burila, Chize Tang, Shirimki, Legu Benke Namdi, Ningdobla, Chedu Shugumase. Zegudito, Mixeki, Lushegu, Venezuela, Yegaki, Mimangla Yang, Chete Nangu Yingorso, Zedu. Chalchakon Gubja Geju Kyosum Lor, Erir, Mangzo Kongbe, Dene Serzu, Nawatang, Dene Kang Tene, Geji to Mangzo Kongbe Dongdapsu, Migbi, Shungde Mayimbi, Sokwashik Re. Tadechar, Tsokpati, Geji Nanki, Mangzo Tang Debi, Tsokpatang, Shiyun Dene Sola, Benjurki, Roram Nangshin, Yobamase. Chilonyedung, Sum Ne Sung, Geji To, Mangzo Kongbe Te, Chale Nangenki, Tsoker Kala, Mangzo Singda, Bugu Zudu. Chilonyedung Chu, Dawanibe, Tse Jugunin, Konsa Gawar Rinpoche Choki, Mangzo Tatu Tang, Dawami. Didu Soki, Nedang Kondor Nangbe, Zejela, Ngunzinki, Singda, Puyu. Nyandishung Getang, Padik Chengi, Chudoji, December Ya, Tochiche.
Visiting the nation's capital this week, he met with President Obama yesterday, even as China expressed that such a meeting would strain relations with the U.S. And now the National Endowment for Democracy presenting the Dalai Lama with the Democracy Service Medal. Again, live coverage from the Library of Congress here on C-SPAN.
And purposes of democracy, for giving us all a model of how to practice democracy as a way of life, and for defending the survival of the people and culture of Tibet in a way that has also contributed to world peace and human understanding. The National Endowment for Democracy is proud to present its Democracy Service Medal to His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
I think most of you, knows. I don't know how to handle more formal way. I really don't know. So dear brothers, sisters, and particularly those people who give me this, thank you. Thank you very much. I really feel giving this kind of thing is the recognition about my small contribution for betterment of 6 million human beings. In this case, mainly try to promote democracy. A democracy. I did not learn about the value of democracy through education, but through experience. I want to share with you about that. Firstly, when I was a young Buddhist monk, I think rather stupid young monk, never pay attention about study, just only for play. I think one example, I think 42, that means my age, I think 7. I received, I think, a very important sort of letter and gift from President Roosevelt. At that time, my only interest is the gift of that watch, not the letter. At that time, I have no botheration about the letter. Then actually, I don't know where that letter gone. Now, after 68 years, Just yesterday, the President Obama gave me a copy of that letter. So then so actually at that time, the container of the container.
For the watch.
Container of that letter. Very beautiful. So that, I remember few weeks I play with that. That I remember like that.
I very much regret to say that due to the fact that His Holiness has a tight travel
Now
schedule,
here, I think
he must be here too.
sorry. I want to share my American friend. Sometimes I think too much excitement. If something positive things happen, too much overexcited. If something goes wrong, too much complaint. Don't do that. Of course, intellectual level, we must know right and wrong and good and bad. But actually something happened. Emotional level, deeper level, I think you must try to keep calm. So, difficult things will come. Realize at the intellectual level, realize that, so make effort. But should not reach deeper your mind emotion. That's, I think, very important. We all have the same capacity, same potential. Only thing, too much rely on external thing. Then this is too much sensitive. If you look inner values, inner resources, then you become more realistic. And particularly here, the compassion, infinite compassion, is really very helpful. One's own, part of my own practice, and many Tibetan good practitioner. I cannot say I'm good practitioner. I cannot say, but I'm practitioner. So therefore, dedicate your own body, speech, and mind for well-being of infinite sentient being, including your enemy. Then, that, at a practical level, not much. Cannot solve the problem, cannot help, but emotional level, immense benefit. So like that. Everybody have the capacity, and everybody come from mother's womb, and everybody survived with mother's milk. So we have the same potential is to develop this inner strength based on human compassion, human affection. Like that. So.
No, we just thank you so much for being so generous with your time here, and it's been such an amazing privilege. I remember your wonderful book, The Art of Happiness, many years ago, and maybe like many of you, never dreamed that I would get to hear you in person, but I remember what you stated in that book, that love and compassion and a sense of universal responsibility are the sources of peace and happiness. You've given us a great deal of happiness here today, and we thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we requested you keep your seats until the party has left. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to let the Dalai Lama's entourage exit first. So if you could please stay in your seats. And as a special gift to each one of you, our partners at the International Campaign for Tibet have arranged to give all those present today a beautiful calendar with exquisite photographs. And I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Billington and his staff here at the Library of Congress. They've been delightful. And I understand, too, the library has arranged to display some of its extraordinary Tibetan collection down the hall. So in a few moments, and thank you again for waiting, you'll have the opportunity to view those treasures on your way out. Thank you all, and good afternoon.